happened to you? You've fallen over? Okay. And how did that happen? You slipped? Okay, did you? Okay, I've seen you've bumped your head. Okay, no, that looks fine. Just try and stay calm for me. I know you've worked yourself up a little bit. Just take a nice deep breath in. Good. Okay. It's okay. I'm going to just clean that up for you. Alright? But first of all, I'm just going to make sure that you're okay. Alright? So just take a nice deep breath in. And out. Very good. Take a nice deep breath in. And out. Excellent. Okay. I'm just going to have a little listen to your chest. Okay. Alright. Take a nice deep breath in. And out. Okay, and just breathe normally for me. Okay. Okay. Alright. Take a nice deep breath in. And out. Okay. That sounds fine. What I'm going to do next is just have a little look in your eyes, okay? So just look straight at my nose. Good. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's fine. Could you now just follow the light for me? Just follow the light. Very good. Follow the light. Okay, that looks fine. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to just clean this up a little bit, okay? Alright. I just wanted to make sure that you're okay. Just stay calm. I know, it's scary when it happens. I've just got my first aid kit here. So, it doesn't look that bad, no. I can see there's a little bit of blood, but that's okay. Blood always looks worse than what it actually is. So, I'm just going to put some gloves on. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it a little clean, and then I'll pop a dressing on, okay? You don't need stitches this time, it's only little, alright? Now, I do think that you should take something, maybe a paracetamol, just for the pain, okay? Let's have a little look. I do have some for you. If you would like to take them, you can. Just take one, and that should just relieve that for you. No more than that. Okay. So I've got a wipe here. Let's have a little look. I don't think you need a bandage. And we'll go for I think we will go for maybe we'll go for this and tape. I think that'll be big enough. Okay. So yes, you need to keep yourself hydrated, have some rest. Yes. And it'll be fine. If you do feel funny, then obviously come back. Alright. So, just going to give it a little wipe. Okay. That's it. That's it. Just clean that. Clean. Does it sting a little bit? Okay. That's fine. It is cold. Can have a better look at it now. It's fine. It's just little. Okay. What I've got here is just a dressing. Just gonna see that. Yep, that's fine. And some tape. You did the right thing by coming to see me. Yes. Alright. Okay, so I've just got the dress in here. Just some tape, you don't need anything bigger, and you can take it off once it's dried, okay? Just in a couple of hours, so we're just gonna pop that on. Okay. Okay. Alright. That's fine. Okay. How are you feeling now? Alright. Well, you look fine to me. You've managed to calm down a little bit. You've only scratched it a little. Honestly, it's nothing to worry about. What I suggest that you do is go home, take some rest, have a sleep, and make sure you get something to eat and something to drink. Okay? You haven't got a bump or anything, and that'll clear up. You can take the dressing off in a couple of hours, okay? Alright. Well, if you do feel funny, you know where to go, okay? Alright. Take care. It was lovely seeing you again, and be careful, alright? Alright. Bye-bye.